fire, Ethan.
Mrs., I'm not going to catch you on fire. Here, hold the match so I can light you on fire. Okay, that bitch burned out my eyebrow. I did not. I'm serious. Her, Ethan, and Laura and Akita were. Ethan, and Laura were all standing.
So need to have a video camera and record these motherfuckers.
No.
What do you think I'm doing right now?
No. Okay, Makita went ahead. Alright, we were all sitting in the bathroom over at the apartment. And we were playing with matches and stuff like that. Alright, and the sunscreen, we went on fire. Anyway, early that day, okay?
Oh, you should saw his back. Hey, you should have saw his back and his stomach. It bites you like great grandpa.
Right the forehead.
Right in the forehead.
The forehead. Right the forehead.
We're such an abusive family to each other.